This is a star, or a star is the sun. It's big, it's bright, and it hurts to look at. But when we think of stars, we generally don't think of them as something that can die. It's not alive in the common sense of the term, so how could it die? However, the truth is that stars can. This is the black hole. Somewhere on the board, you can see it. It literally disappears from view into what is a black void that can't be seen. In fact, the only way to detect one is to observe its surroundings and not the black hole itself. Can you see it now? On top of the black hole's core's gravity is so immense and so strong that it sinks through the fabric of space and time, creating a hole in it, hence the name black hole. Black hole is what is known as the event horizon, which is the point of no return. The event horizon is also the point in which light can no longer escape. So say, for example, you were to watch your friend jump into a black hole. Your friend would hit the event horizon, and then you would see his image stop and slowly fade away, and you would no longer see him again. By crossing this point, there is no possible way to escape. But how big are they? Black holes can be big and small. Scientists think that the smallest black hole could be the size of an atom, yet even these have the mass of a mountain. One kind of black hole is called a stellar black hole and can have the mass 20 times more than the Sun. It is believed that there are many of these in Earth's galaxy, the Milky Way. Yet another type of black hole is known as a supermassive black hole. These monstrosities have the mass of a million suns put together. It is believed that each galaxy has a supermassive black hole at its center. And the one currently in ours is known as Sagittarius. But remember, however scary these big black monsters from space may be, Earth will never be destroyed by a black hole. There are no stars close enough to our solar system to collapse into a black hole and then put us into them. Nor are there any black holes close enough at the moment to harm us. The Sun is simply too small to become a black hole. Even if our Sun were to become a black hole, it would still have the same gravity of the Sun right now. Earth and all our planets and our moon would orbit around the black hole just as if it were Earth. Let's say hypothetically that the Sun did collapse. Black holes are called holes for a reason. So what is inside? Or rather, what would happen if you went inside? First, it would distort the light around you, so as you are approaching, the hole and everything around you will be distorted like a funhouse mirror. This happens because the black hole's gravity is so strong, it pulls and distorts the light around it. Once you have traveled to a point in space called the photon sphere, you could theoretically see the back of your own head. This is because it is a point where light can't escape but isn't being sucked into the black hole. At this point, the light is orbiting the hole. So when you look forward, the light off the back of your head travels around the hole and into your eyes. Now it is thought to believe that once you cross the event horizon, you just hit the black hole and explode, as if hitting a brick wall at 1,000 kilometers an hour. Your death is instant. Before, they always thought that as you travel closer and closer to the black hole, you would eventually just get pulled apart. This happens because the gravity in front of you is so much weaker than the gravity behind you, so it literally rips you apart. However, it is still really hard to tell because they are insanely hard to research and we don't know a lot about them.